Spinning plates. This is one of the most loved items by kids and used a lot in schools, circus schools. This version is made in Italy. It's a soft plastic which makes it nearly unbreakable. It's rather simple to use because it has a rather large edge here, so if you're with complete beginners, it's quite an interesting product to choose. It's sold with a plastic stick, which has a little black bit on the end here, a little pointy bit. We also sell wooden sticks. Some people tell us the plastic sticks are no good and that only the wooden sticks are good for using spinning plates. But there is a reason we sell them with these plastic sticks. Well, they are more flexible than the wooden ones, which means they're stronger, they'll last longer, but also much easier to use. So if, for example, you've only got half an hour or an hour with your students, well, and you want them to be able to use the spinning plate quite quickly, then it's interesting to use these plastic sticks. If, on the contrary, your lessons, you have a lot of time with the kids and with your students, in that case the wooden sticks make a lot more sense because you have to do it in a better, more correct way and able to make the plate spin. The sticks are usually sold without this end bit on them, like so. So when you receive them, you put this little black bit on. Now, if it's the winter, if it's cold, it will be a lot more difficult to put in. Just put them indoors in the warm of the house, near the fireplace, and then you can just basically just slip them on perfectly. You might get them with these two separate sticks. If you're just ordering one spinning plate, there's a possibility you'll get these split sticks. Works quite well. You just plonk them in the black bit there in the middle. If not, if you're ordering a load of them, then you'll get these longer sticks. Very simple to use, the spinning plates, but it can be more complicated for adults than for kids. The main reason is us adults tend to be a little bit stressed and we tend to put a lot of tension on our wrist. Now you hold the stick right at the bottom with your index finger along the stick, and the whole secret of it is to have the hand completely loose on the stick. The stick should nearly be able to fall out of your hand. Now, basically what you'll do to start with is draw circles with the end of the stick before even putting the spinning plate on the stick. That's the main way of using these. And then what you do is you put the plate on the stick. It will hold like so, and you'll be doing the circles again. So imagine the plate isn't there and basically you're drawing these circles and the plate will start spinning. And basically what's happening is it's the stick that's spinning around the plate. And this will only happen if your wrist is completely loose on the stick. If your hand isn't completely loose on the stick, then it's the plate that's going to circle around the stick, and that just won't work. So just relax your wrist and the stick will go around the plate. And when you're ready for the plate, when the plate's spinning like this, you can go and put the stick in the middle, and for that to happen, you can become stressed again and just block the stick, and the stick will go straight to the center of the plate. And that's basically how these work. And there you go. Enjoy.